Hello to all my friends out there. Hi, you guys. Here we are, another day in the pandemic. So I thought, well, it doesn't look like the pandemic is going to be ending anytime soon. So I want to make myself a tasty dinner. So I had some chicken tenderloins from Walmart, and I cut them in little pieces. And I'm frying them in oil. I want to make some easy meals that are easy to make, and yet they're tasty. So here's my, if you can see, here's my, it's just, I haven't put anything on them yet. I bought the chicken tenderloins at Walmart. Let me show you the ones I got. So I have a really easy recipe, and I thought, wow, you know, we better just make up our minds we're going to adjust to this. The sooner we adjust pepper and the sooner we adapt, the better off we're going to be. So this meal can literally be made in 10 minutes. So I want to brown my chicken, and what I did was I had some packages of lard in my freezer, and when I took them out, because I keep them in the freezer so they don't go rancid, I put them in my shortening container. So I hope everyone is doing okay, and I want to mention something. If you were following me, I mentioned to you that in Africa there was a persecution of the Christians. So they breached the pastor, and they got the pastor to tell all of the Christians to come to the church, and then they were all murdered. I don't know if he survived or not. But what they did is they said, we're going to murder your family if you don't go to the church. So a pastor today, and I'm not speaking out against this guy, I just want to mention something to my followers, was arrested because he had a big church and the people came to church. If a pastor tells you to do something that is not safe, do not do it. God is not going to lead the flock into danger. That isn't going to happen, you guys. That is a very bad thing to do. Yeah, possibly our rights are being violated right about now, but now is a good time to keep a low profile and don't kick up dust. There's nothing we can do about that. What we want to do is adjust now to the way things are. And the way things are now is if you are not to be in a big group so you don't catch this COVID-19 pneumonia. I had pneumonia. It almost killed me. And what happened was I shared a hospital room with a woman who had pneumonia, and sure enough, I caught the pneumonia. Okay, so as some of you know, I sell all kinds of costume jewelry, anything. And so I was thinking about this this pandemic and how it's changed things. And I thought, you know, I bought stuff in thrift stores, yard sales, and swap meets, but now I want to move into, this is all costume jewelry. It's really pretty. If you can see it, I have a collection of various cross necklaces and ambers. I love those. So now I want to move into selling new items, and possibly I will buy them online so that if this happens again, I can work from home. So now I just want to put a little teriyaki sauce on my chicken. I think right now, caution is the watchword. I'm hoping all my followers will be super careful for the next 72 hours. I was telling my son today, a danger that I could see happening is there's a knock on your door and they say it's the National Guard or the police, but it's not. And you open your door. I think that's very, very dangerous. I think that's incredibly dangerous. So now I just want to add a little teriyaki sauce to my chicken. And how I'm going to figure out when my chicken is ready is I'm going to cut into one of the big ones. This could be nuggets of some sort. Let me see if this thing is still going. Okay, so now, what we want to do is we want to adjust to the way things are now. Like me, I'm not going walking at the shopping mall. Forget it. I was a nursing student for years. And I saw all kinds of horrific illnesses, and you want to avoid them. The fact that we're forced is probably a good idea, because if you've never had pneumonia, it's really a killer. I don't know how I recovered like I did when I had it. So I'm doing this thing. What would I be doing right now if it wasn't for this stupid pandemic, this self-isolation? Well, I'd be walking 2 hours a day. Well, I don't want to go outside and walk because I don't want to call attention to myself, because I don't want to get robbed or victimized right now. There's a lot of people with no jobs. Let's see if my chicken is ready. Let's see. Ooh, yummy. Oh, yummy, yummy. Let me show you. So see how fast this is? Walmart. I was, putting this shirt on and yummy. So I want to find dirt cheap meals. I don't want to be spending my money. I was thinking about these checks we're supposed to be getting. And so what we might expect is some hyperinflation. So it might be better to maybe buy a little food storage or something rather than to hang on to the money. Not saying that's what I'm going to do. I'm just saying that might be a good idea. So I'm going to put my chicken right on top of my... And I have some dried chives. Fresh would be good, but I don't have any fresh. So this is a decent enough. One of the cheapest things you can buy is chicken. I bought chicken at Vons for 99 cents a pound, chicken legs. And then I also have some canned corn. All of our lives, just about every night of the week, we had either canned corn or green beans. And we survived just fine. We really did. Okay, take a look at this. Teriyaki chicken on rice with corn. So this is a very cost-effective meal. I have chicken in my teeth. Now for dessert, okay, what do I have? This is amber glassware. I love these. And so what I made was a tasty little batch of homemade yogurt. I want to encourage you guys to learn how to make this. And I bought big bags of apples. Big bags of apples. Apples are good with yogurt. I bought these apples apples at 99 cents, 99 cent only. I find the 99 cent only to be a good deal. I was telling my son though, right about now, I'm like in Costco. And I have a Costco right around the corner from where I live. So this was strawberry yogurt that I made from scratch. And I've given you guys the recipes a zillion times. So what I like to do is just put my apple slices around and then dip them in my yogurt. So this is a cheap meal. Here it is. I have some more stuff to tell you guys, but I'm going to end it here because I like about 10 minutes. Okay, you guys, I will be back tomorrow with another cost-effective meal because now I have to eat this stockpile I bought down. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.